Alright, here we've got a really clean Parker. Front quarter auger 675 Parker. It is a 540 PTO. We got this off of a gentleman who retired. He basically downsized, so he didn't need the small drain part. You can see the auger looks like it's that's good. That auger's not sharp. I don't know if I'm doing it justice if you can see it in there or not. You got to kind of lay on your head to get to it, but I think it's a good bottom auger. But this thing's really clean. Got the black kit on the back. See, I think that right tire's like new, and the left tire's really good. Good tires, but that right tire's been replaced. They must have busted it. Let me get up the back. I'll see it's got a good spout. The upper auger looks like it's not that old really. It's still got black paint on it, but I think in general these augers are well better than half, and nothing jagged that I saw. Doesn't have, look right here, no welds on one of these. I mean, that tells you what kind of care it's had. This thing's had a good life. Runs smooth, hydraulics are good. They work fast. You can see down in there, that auger is really good. I should have looked up here before I went down to the... Really good bottom auger. That's the upper auger that goes up. So, I guess really this only has the auger, yeah, that'd be the main auger there. And then the other one's up in the top where it folds. But you can see it's good inside. This is the first time I've seen this cart when they knocked the dust off of it. And I am very well pleased with it. It's got the hydraulic shut off too, where you can hydraulically shut that off. You see the cylinder and everything in there.